I am 74 years old. I can do it. Everybody can do it.
Thank you everyone. This is my mom. We are daughter and mom Carter. How many of you are daughter, mom, sisters, family members? Just give her applause. You guys are the best. You know, she is my marketing material. Always agree with her. She just stand there and everybody will believe me. So this is the best partner. When I first came to Remont, I spoke with Betty, I spoke with Danny, and I said, why are you here? They told me their reason, but I'm telling you why I am here. Being a skincare specialist for 16 years, I never believed that any skincare can actually cure or help you or see the results. Until I met Remont. You are the best, and I am here not because my husband is Korean. I am here not because Remont is K-Beauty or #1 K-Beauty. I am here because there's only one Remont in the world. And we are the best. Okay, I want to inspire people. I want to help, like our slogan. You change your face, you change your finance. And also, you change lives. Thank you, Tim. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Bessie.